Welcome viewers. My name is Ghazanfer Ali. I will be explaining Computer System Part 2 for class 9th. We will discuss types of computer. The classification of computer is based on type of data processed, that is analog, digital and hybrid computer. Then we will discuss based on the purpose of use, that is general purpose, special purpose. Then we will discuss according to processing capabilities, microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. First we'll take analog computer. An analog computer is a computer which is used to process analog data. Analog computers store data in continuous form of physical quantities and perform calculations with the help of measures. It is quite different from the digital computer, which makes use of symbolic numbers and represent result. Here on the screen you can see thermometer and sound system. These are known as analog computer. Speedometer and odometer are also example of analog computer. Now we'll see digital computer. On screen easily you can see it is the most commonly used type of computer you also may be having at your home. It is used to process information with quantities using digits, usually using the binary number system. An example of digital computer is MacBook. Hybrid computers are the computers which contain combination of analog and digital computer. On screen you can see two examples of hybrid computer. The digital component normally serves as the controller and provide logical and numeric operations, while the analog component often serve as solvers of different equations and other mathematically complex equations. Now the classification based on the purpose of computer, like general purpose computers are designed to solve a large variety of problems. That is, they can give different programs to solve different types of problems. General purpose computer can process business data as readily as they process complex mathematical formulas. General purpose computer can store large amount of data and the data programs necessary to process them. General purpose computers are so versatile, most business today use general purpose computer. General purpose computer is mainly such computers that are used in business and commercial data processing. Special purpose computers are the computers designed to solve a specific problems. The computer program for solving a problem is the built right into the computer. The special purpose computers have mainly features of general purpose computer but are designed to handle a specific problem and are not applied to other computerized activities. Example like controlling the temperature and humidity, monitoring the heart rate, monitoring your house security system, etc. are the example of a special purpose computer. Let's understand with the help of few examples. So, special purpose computer is your microwave oven. A special purpose computer is a juicer. A telephone also is a special purpose computer. What computer PC, that is called personal computer, is the example of general purpose computer that can serve a variety of work done by you or by other users. But here special purpose are serving a single and particular purpose only. Here you can see special purpose computers like iPods or mobile phones. Now we'll see microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer. We can see the date when they were introduced. They contain the number of processor, storage capacity. Micro is having in gigabyte, mini is having in terabyte, and mainframe is having in petabyte. RAM, micro is in MB, mini is in GB, and mainframe is also having in GB or sometimes more. Micro is normally used by a single user. Many computers are used to serve 2 to 1000 connected users. They are as a server, and mainframe computers are larger than the mini computer. If we see the size, micro is the smallest, then is the mini computer, and then is the mainframe. In the cost also you can see in dollars. The purpose of use for the microcomputers are home, office, educational institutions. Mini computers are used by business institutes and different departments. Mainframe are used by large organizations like banks, etc. Example of micro are IBM PC, Apple Macintosh. For the mini, example is VAX 8800 and MB 1500. Example for mainframe is IBM 370 and NEC. So here you can see a microcomputer and you will understand it nicely with the help of this. Here you can see two different mini computers on the screen. This is a very large computer, mainframe computer. Now let's talk about the supercomputer. A supercomputer is almost similar to mainframe computer with high level of performance as compared to general purpose computer, and the performance of a supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second, that is flops, instead of million instructions per second, that is MIPS. This is Craven, you can see here on the screen. It is a very popular supercomputer. This is the another example of supercomputer by IBM you can see on the screen. Let's see several comparison between mainframe and supercomputer. Supercomputer focus on the problems which are limited by calculation speed while mainframe focus on the problem which are limited by input output and reliability. Because of parallelism visible to the programmer, supercomputers are quite often complicated to program and require specialized task-specific software. In contrast, mainframe hide parallelism from the programmer. One side effect is that even older software can benefit from adding mainframe CPUs. So, supercomputer can perform various varieties of tasks and they are having very fast processing power and large RAMs. Mainframe are used for storing a large amount of data. Supercomputers tend to cater to science and military, while mainframe tends to target business and civilization government applications. Weather modeling, protein folding analysis, and digital film rendering are all tasks well suited to supercomputers. Credit card processing, bank accounting management, market trading, and social insurance processing are the tasks well suited to the mainframe computers. Supercomputer often runs tasks that can tolerate interruption. Mainframe tends to run those functions that most run reliably, even for years of continuous service, for example, airline booking and credit card processing. Mainframe assiduously and thirdly supports older software alongside new software. Supercomputers tend not to have backward capability as a central design figure. Hope you understand that for operations supercomputers are used and for what operations frame computer is used. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning. See you in next lesson. Bye bye.